With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question here is that we have to find limit extending toward infinity under root x square plus bx minus cx equal to 2. Limit is given. We have to find bc upon a equals what? And also it is mentioned that abc are positive real numbers. Now this is the limit from infinite minus infinite. So we have to rationalize it. So now on rationalizing what we will get, let us rationalize this. So this is equal to what? ax square plus bx minus cx under root x square plus bx minus cx multiply with this conjugate. So what we will get? Ax square plus bx under root plus cx and divide with same. Ax square plus bx plus cx. Now apply the formula a minus b into a plus b equal to what? A minus b a plus b equal to what? A square minus b square. Here a is under root ax square plus bx. So on square root will cancel out. So it is equal to what? Ax square plus bx minus c square x square upon ax square plus bx plus cx. Now here limit extending toward infinity. Now we know that the coefficient of x square is what? A minus c square plus bx upon under root ax square plus bx plus cx. Limit extending toward infinite. Now we know that for existence of this limit, this should be 0 because highest power in denominator is this here x square. So on taking root it will become x and also here x. So highest power in denominator is x. So highest power in numerator should be x for the existence of this limit. So if x square is highest power, then it will become infinity square. So limit will go toward infinity, but limit is given equal to what? 2. So for this a minus c square should be 0. So from here c equal to root a equal to c square or c equal to root a. Now the limit of infinite upon infinite is equal to what? Infinite upon infinite is what? Ratio of coefficient of highest power, that is here x is highest power, so ratio of coefficient is what? B upon here coefficient of x is c plus coefficient of x is here not b because root is applied, so it will become a. So c plus root a, and from here root a equal to c, so this is equal to what? B upon 2c, and limit is given equal to 2. So from here we can write b upon c equal to what? B upon c equal to 4. Maintain this relation here as it need further. Now what we have to find? We have to find bc upon a. Now we can write a equal to what? C square. From here a equal to c square. So we can write this like as bc upon c square. Now let us see. This c will cancel out this square. So this is equal to what? B upon c. And from here b upon c equal to what? 4. So our final answer is that bc upon a equal to 4. And this is correspond to option number. Which option number? This is correspond to option number 1. So our final answer is option number 1. BC upon A equal to what? 4. So correct answer is option number 1. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.